For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Hey friends, if you've ever wanted one kitchen gadget that does it all, pressure cook, slow cook, saute, and even keep your food warm, then you're going to love what I'm about to show you. Today I'm reviewing the Place Dream Cooker, a 6-quart multi-cooker that's designed not just to save time, but also to look great on your countertop. So what makes this multi-cooker special? First, it's fast and versatile. With pressure cooking, it cooks up to 80% faster than traditional methods, perfect for those nights when you just don't have the energy to wait hours for dinner. It's toxin-free with a non-stick coating, which means no more endlessly scrubbing pots. I personally love this because after cooking a big meal, the last thing I want to do is fight with stuck-on food. The hands-free steam release is a game changer. You don't have to hover over it, it handles it safely for you. And with 9 built-in safety features, you can cook with peace of mind. Finally, the control panel is simple and uncluttered. No confusing presets, just set your time, temperature, and mode. Straightforward and stress-free. Let me walk you through how I used it the first time. I made a pot of chili. All I had to do was sear the onions and meat right in the Dream Cooker using the sauté mode, then add in beans, spices, and broth. After that, I switched over to pressure cook. In less than 40 minutes, I had a rich, flavorful chili that normally takes me 2 to 3 hours. But let's not forget, it's not just about function, it's about style too. The Dream Cooker is designed to live on your countertop. The blue salt finish looks modern and classy, almost like a piece of kitchen decor. This is one of the first cookers I've actually been happy to display instead of hiding away in a cabinet. So if you're looking for a multi-cooker that's reliable, easy to use, safe, and honestly a lifesaver for busy households, the Place Dream Cooker is worth every penny. It's backed by the trusted Place brand, and thousands of people are already making their cooking faster and easier with it. If this sounds like the upgrade your kitchen needs, check out the link in the description to grab yours today. Trust me, once you start using it, you won't want to go back to your old pots and pans.